Hello friends, welcome to Learn One. In previous lecture, we have learned about the practicals of left shift operator in Ruby. And today we will learn about the practicals of right shift operator in Ruby. So let me create first variable, that is variable a, and I am assigning a value to my variable, that is 000 111 11, and this is the binary value of a number 31. Now I will perform binary right shift operation. So here is my first operand, that is variable a, and my operator, that is double greater than, is actually the binary right shift operator, and my right operand. The right operand takes a numeric value, how much bits I want to shift. For example, I want to shift 2 bits. So this will shift 2 bits to the right side of left operand, and it will return us 7. Now we will take some deep dive that how this operator actually works in backend, and we will get the output 7. So let's create our variable, that is variable a, and is having value this. Now I want to perform binary right shift operation, and I want to shift 2 digits. So this operation, here is the output that we will trace. Now we will trace the output. Here I have specified variable a as my left operand and is having value this one, and I want to shift 2 digits. So this will shift the most right 2 digits to the right hand side. So here the 2 digits are 1 and 1, double 1. So this double 1 is shifted to right hand side and new 2 digits been added. So the final output is 00. This is the new digits that added on the left hand side, and our actual value and the shifted digits. So you can see that first we are having 5 1, and now we are having only 3 ones here. So the most right, these 2 digits been shifted to right, and here is our final output of our execution. So now let's check this is returning 7 or not. So let me create one variable, and I am assigning a value that we have seen in the iterations, and that returns us 7. So this is how we can work with binary right shift operator. In next lecture, we will learn about ternary operators in Ruby.